Hey there, it is Craig here from Unleashed Education. I'm just editing this image of the absolutely beautiful Eva, and I've had a request from the client. Since we had our session, Eva's had a little bit of dental work done and her teeth are looking much more healthy and white now than they used to. So the client's actually asked if I can reflect that in the edits of the image. So what I'm going to do is just whiten up these teeth a little bit and give them a little bit of a cleanup. I'll be completing this process in Photoshop, and I'll just start by making a new layer, which is Command and J as your keyboard shortcut on a Mac, or Control and J if you're on a PC. And the first thing I'm going to do is to lighten the teeth a little. I'll do that with a curves adjustment. Command or Control M is your curves shortcut, and I'll just bring that up a little from the middle just to lighten them slightly. Now, using a hue and saturation adjustment with Command or Control and U, I'm just going to change these yellows. So I'll go to the yellows here, and I'll just take the lightness up again and also take the saturation down slightly. I don't want to make them too bright and glowing, which would be quite easy to do and look very unnatural. I want to keep them looking pretty natural, so there will be some coloration in the teeth naturally. So I just OK that. Now if we zoom out, what you'll see is that of course that has applied this adjustment to the entire image. I just want it on the teeth, so I'm going to use a new mask and Command and I to invert that, which changes the mask to black and hides everything. Now what we can do is hit B, that will take us to our brush tool, and we want to reverse, so on the black we want to paint with the white brush to reveal what's in this layer. So you can just press X to toggle between the black and the white brushes, and then I'm just going to paint over the teeth. If we zoom out, we can look at those adjustments, compare with switching the layer on and off. As I said, I don't want to go too far. I want it still to be believable. I think that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. So then I just want to tidy up a couple of little other bits. So I'm going to take both of those layers and duplicate them. Press Command and E or Control and E to merge those two layers. And that gives me a new layer with the teeth adjustment on it. Then I'm just going to grab the spot healing brush, take out a few little bits that look a little bit distracting or untidy. The patch tool on this one, the spot healing brush doesn't seem to like that little bit. So there we are, a nice, quick and easy way to whiten a dog's teeth using layers and masks in Photoshop. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.